Oh, oh, he's taking the pole in the water. Oh, what we got? It's feeling like a channel cat or something. Oh, can you see him? Yeah, he's bobbing like a old channel cat, or maybe a light baby blue cat. Yeah, you have to play him now. You can't just. That's how you work the drag. He's pulling, you let him pull a little, and you try to bend him back, and he's giving a little. You have to work the drag. How to work the drag on a cane pole. If he's pulling, you just let him pull. Ain't got too much strength left. Yep, little channel cat. Sure enough. I often catch more channel catfish while bluegill fishing than actually dedicated channel cat fishing. He's pulling. I just let him pull. And then once he kind of gives a little, I'll put a little bit more pressure on him. If all else fails, you can just throw the cane pole in the water because the cane pole floats. Cane, don't do that with fiberglass because fiberglass is hollow. It'll just fill with water and you'll just lose your pole. But fun. Told you, man. Little channel cat. Fun. Now the wind's blowing this. Man, this wind is crazy today. Crazy wind today. He's on the surface now. Oh, he's still kind of heavy though. Good thing about the cane pole, you can just let it off in the water. And guess what? Now I can hand line him in. See? I can hand line him just like my hand line. The fish don't care what you're using. See, I'm hand lining now. There we go. That's a nice channel cat there. Channels don't get too much bigger than that in my waters. He swallowed it badly. You don't have to have all this. Guys fishing catfish with 80-pound test line. Just to catch something like this, I can catch with a cane pole an 8-pound test line. It's just, you know. Just because the industrial complex tells you to fish a certain way doesn't mean you should fish a certain way. He swallowed this. No, he hadn't. Almost swallowed it. Alright, so we got a... If I can find the hook there. There it goes there. I see the hook, but it's like it disappeared or something. Yeah, he has swallowed it. I'm gonna have to just... Yeah. Playing for keeps today anyway, so nice channel. Just almost grown up. Not quite grown up, but getting close. That's what you can catch. Yeah, he swallowed that. Take the old screwdriver here and wring it out the old school way, but the screwdriver's not really strong enough. I mean, long enough. Come on. He's been feeding. Just gonna have to break the line and lose the hook, and we'll just again. And when they're catfish, I always slit their gills. It's the best, most humane way to. Most of those bluegill are already have swallowed the hook. I don't have to slit their gills, but if you bleed that meat out, slit their gills. It's the most humane way, and it'll make the much better meat.